Are you interested in UX and games? Watch this video.
Are you interested in developing games on your free time and starting your development career? You should really look into this video. Even if I had all the money in the world, I would not stop developing. I would still develop.
I wish I made a game earlier. I love making games and it's so much fun. And it's something that you can do as a hobby as well, like next to your job.
So yeah, I just get really bored of giving up.
As long as you know what you like and you have an open mind to try new things and you're always willing to learn about them.
It's just about learning the mindset. Bye.
All right.
Bye-bye. Good luck with the game.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck with the test.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.